So we're like 10 seconds behind. That's nice to know. Wow, you only got like literally a part of your glasses on that.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, that's
Try
it.
it one more time.
Yeah. You want me to do the angle at you?
The team is the Beehive Baes versus Judgement.
All right, there you go. You're totally in. I feel like you're kind of not giving me a lot of this. Should we go long ways on
I
this
just
sleeping
stole
bag
it
or
from
are
you,
we
dude.
long ways on this sleeping bag right now? Oh, you're half pashmina too.
Is it?
Boy, look, I know it's cold out here and stuff,
Stop recording me, man. Record the people warming up. The team is the Beehive Baes.
but warming up, Chris.
What's up, Kevin Green?
KG? Yo, KG, I heard you.
Let me know if you want more of the Taco Daddy on the stream. I can add as much Taco Daddy as needed here.
Yo, KG, you okay? I heard you hurt yourself. I'm very concerned.
He's good. Get out of here.
I heard it was like on the movie Hot Rod where you just see the bike flying and then you're just right.
Breaking news. Tina just said, hey, KG. Go to
Oh.
Tina. Go to Tina.
Say hi, Bay.
This is for you, KG.
He'd love to type, but his shoulder is all messed up, so he just he just smashed the keyboard and it made letters.
All right, David, you ready for this?
Kevin Green, yeah, yo.
You ready, Vato? Oh, let's get it, man. Let's get it.
Whoa, hey.
What's up, dogs?
We got
Beehive, what up? I know you guys are watching. Shade of Dale, you all there? Have a mismatch IPA for me.
You came in so hot. It's between Beehive and Gainesville and Lafayette right now for the biggest clubs, really.
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah, I know, man.
We're taking the Floridans. We got two there.
Floridians?
Yeah.
What's a Floridian?
Yeah. Someone from Florida? I don't know.
what are y'all called?
Florida men.
Florida men.
Florida man. That's what I said. Florida man. We got one. We got one.
Florida man. Okay, let's do it.
Are you guys waiting for a referee or what's going on?
We were asking for lights.
I heard you don't need a ref. Oh,
okay. So we're waiting on lights.
You guys should be praying to Jesus. He'll make. Oh,
Really?
Yeah, they said they're going to turn on the lights for everyone before all that is and sync them all up.
that's really dope.
Yeah, let them know.
So we're waiting for lights, actually.
So
it's
if
getting
you
dark
need
here
to,
soon. So yeah, go take a pee break
yeah,
or go get
shotgun
a beer.
or two. Come on back. See us when you're.
But
done
we'll
doing
be
your
out
damn
here.
thing.
We'll
Hey,
be
look
still
at
here.
Goose. He doesn't understand that
We
there's
got
weather out here. That's
Patty.
tight. Hey, Party.
What's up?
If you
Any
got really
comments?
cool shirts, don't forget to
Negative.
hit it on the Instagram.
A negative too. Beehive.com. Boy, beehivebaes.com.
Is that how you Instagram?
.ca.
Perfect.
It was cheaper.
.ca is 0.75 of the cost of a normal domain. So
Right? You know what I'm saying?
you're doing offshore domains.
Offshore accounts.
Don't ask for Mexico, stop you out.
Jesus, this is the worst because right now I'm gonna have to hear everything I'm saying right now again.
Ratty.
Yep.
All right, there's the whistle, y'all.
All
Here we go. Good luck.
Stuff is about to go down.
Shout out to Chris Hill, reffing.
Shout out to things going down.
No, I don't want
Chris Hill. Chris Hill. Got that ref? Chris, your mom is on the live stream. She said hi.
All right, folks.
It says Chris Hill's mom. No, that's Sprint Coffee. Never mind.
Who we starting on each side?
What?
So, the Beehive Baes, we have
Bazar.
Gabriel, David, and Patty
got
starting up line, and then we
Nate
have
Goose and Erica. No, Birdie.
Birdie. and Gabe with the win on that joust.
That
Really
was a
fast
very
joust
close
pass to Patty. Patty shoots at it. Blocked by
that was a
Goose.
fucking close
What a
one, though.
block.
Here comes Goose. Arms just a
Goose
blaring
passes
out.
back to
Yeah.
Nate.
Huh? Oh, on this one?
Nate
Might be.
shoots. Blocked by Gabe.
Tied.
Patty clears it. Gabe ends up with a ball. Pass back to David.
Oh, nice pass back to David. Florida people.
And it's blocked by Goose. Nate trying to get that pass in his whiffed, and David stole that ball right in front of the net. Shoots, and it's good.
Golden as
That was a
F.
really fast play.
Good work, David.
David ended up stealing the
Do
ball.
it before
and
they get the
finishing
lights.
that. All right.
Little known fact about Judgment, they don't eat enough
1-0
carrots, so they can't see that well at dark. So,
Like, the whole game's still good to go.
what? Don't bring Mythbusters into this. Oh, about them eating carrots.
On her.
All
Okay,
right, Birdie
word.
with the ball.
I thought you were saying it's false
Pass
that if
to
you
Nate.
don't eat carrots, you
Shoots
can't see at night.
way wide.
Okay,
that was a
back
pass,
to the real
probably.
game. We all know that they eat enough
David
carrots.
controlling
Sorry
that
for
in the
kind of
corner.
misconception.
Gabe takes the ball. Birdie following.
Oh, nice. Okay, good 180.
Gabe with a
Fine
nice
goal.
little flip.
So what you're saying
David to
is
Gabe.
you're a
Gabe to
liar
David.
about your
David goes
favorite
in.
team's carrot usage.
Pass back. And Gabe shoots, and it's blocked by Goose. Nate controls the ball on the wall. Topples over. Or dabs out.
Yeah, okay, whichever. Trust falls
Pass
on
to
his friends.
Dave to Gabe, and Gabe shot, and it was blocked by Birdie.
You're too good at this one. I'm doing my best. All right.
All right, Birdie with the ball.
Goose out here trying to get a tan on his arms.
Yeah, it's not working out because the
Pale.
sun's not here for some reason.
Sun's
And
out,
David
guns out,
blocks
am I
that
right?
pass.
It says the Florida man.
Yeah, just laughing at Goose right now.
Nate shot.
Nice shot on,
Just
but not
wide.
quite. David goes behind goal. Looking for Gabe up. Wait, Gabe? Yeah.
Gabe waiting for the
Yep,
ball,
yep, yep,
gets
yep,
the ball,
yep,
pass
yep,
to
yep,
him,
yep,
pass
yep,
back
yep.
to
Yeah.
Dave. Dave
David.
making a move, shoots,
Whoa.
and it's blocked.
You say Dave?
That was a nice block by Goose.
By a who? Yeah.
Wheelied.
Don't use his first and last name.
What's his
Christopher Jeffrey Evans.
name? Got Joel here next to me because it's cold and I want everybody around me.
Berthard pulls it back.
Hey, have him
I'll
hold
do the
the
play-by-play.
outside. Have you hold the outside of the sleeping bag.
Gabe does a little scoop, sends it a little bit back.
Grab it on this side. Love you guys.
Patty coming out. She looks forward, drops it back a little bit, back to Gabe.
Looking for that
Gabe
party.
pushes up to the wall, up to the front. Gets a good pass off the front wheel. Not a good touch. Looking for a better touch there. One-on-one with Birdie. Birdie pushing up. Birdie's got some space to work with. Looks right. Tries to pass towards the
Good
middle.
looks. Gabe collects, goes behind the goal. Goose looking for some sleeves.
Yeah, Goose ended up losing his sleeves this last couple games.
Man, it's a hard night.
Gabe
man.
with a big push. Fake pass. Fake to a pass.
Yeah, so the sun was out earlier, and I think that's when he took his sleeves off.
That's
And-
when he let the guns loose.
And like, yeah,
When the
so once
sun's
he
out, the guns are supposed to be out. Shades out.
Ball on
what's supposed to
court.
be out.
Ball on court.
there's 2 balls on court.
Shades out, blades out, maybe.
Ed, yeah, we're doing this for you, man. We're doing this for everyone who couldn't make it here. I'm glad you're loving the commentary. Tell David to fix the stream. I think the
sucks.
stream is
Nothing wrong with
perfect.
this stream.
Oh, it's like
What's wrong with your stream?
The stream is fine. Just check your internet connection and we'll be good.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
Broken balls. I haven't seen a broken ball this weekend.
Which is
I haven't seen one. Maybe, I think maybe there was a cracked one on day one, but nothing too difficult here. So, if you're just joining us, this is the North American Hardcourt Bike Polo Championships, Milwaukee. Oh, we got lights.
are on.
So we got
Somebody
lights.
said let there be light, and so it was.
And the score here is 1 for Beehives, 0
Blades out.
for Judgment, but it looks like that could change right now with a birdie shot. Little wide
Everything
left.
could change with a birdie
Pick
shot.
up, and a beautiful pass to himself.
Do a Koyo.
Gabe, fake rip. Tight turn off of Nate's rear wheel. Big shot by Chris. Ends up in the corner. Chasing for it. Birdie up front. Almost shuffles it into her own goal. Or into a goal. Or Miss Ratty Patty up with a little scooting back and forth, gets the pass.
Birdie on Patty.
Beautiful move by Patty.
Put the lights out on that one. Put the lights back on again. Wow.
Our generators are just warming up, so forgive the light changes here. David ends up with the ball.
Good work, David.
He's carefully working around Birdie. Birdie retreats a little bit, so Chris steps up. Gaber on the outside with a pass way up, and he gets a little lick on it, and whales it with a softie in. Puts Beehive up 2 on Judgment.
We can't watch this.
Somebody at Hardcourt warming up their
Should I go stop it and restart?
No. What's going on, guys? Tell us what you're seeing here. Is it a lot of? It looks like a lot of pausing and a lot of lagging.
battery.
This is glitchy.
Okay. Hey, Dasha. Oh, we wish you were here, Dasha. She said she would have loved to seen that. Beautiful move by Patty, though. Yes, that was a beautiful scoop pass.
I mean, you just did. You just saw it kind of buffery. Save your wishes for really hard things.
Tino with a nice
spring.
Oh, I didn't see the sub here, but yeah, we got Tina in for Patty.
Comes a shot from
Nate, big shot, does not hit the goal, bounces off. Tina up front, ripper into the corner. No one in goal for Rat Queen, or excuse me, Judgment.
The lights are back out.
Okay, we got lights again, guys. For those who are just watching.
Birdie takes a shot and does not connect, so it gets into Nate's hands. Nate with a whiffer. Passes hard back to Chris.
Nate, that's on video.
Chris is moving up. He's got a little space. Bounces off of Tina's front wheel. David recollects. Goes around his goal. Back towards the center. Nate does not see the pass to Tina, so Tina will take it up and then pass it back to David. Moving it slowly up. Beehive in possession. Nate will cause a little kerfuffle there and gets it to Chris Evans. Chris Evans passes through the middle. Big shot through the middle, ends up on the outside. Birdie with the guns out too now. Wow. Okay, Gabe has just scored from about half court with a big forehand shot.
Oh, unleash the Shelly. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, have we unleashed the Shelly? Okay. Shelly
Wait, is this Carlos's
Shelly
phone?
has switched
This
in
is
for
Carlos's
Nate,
phone.
and
What can we
also
do with
Arnold
this?
is out on the court now. We got Arnold, Shelly, and Birdie out for Judgment, playing against Tina, David, and Jimmy. Now Jimmy's now in for Gabe. Oh, I'm sorry, not Gabe. Jimmy's now in for David.
Come on, get it right. People at home are depending on you.
We're trying here. You know, this is for the people.
We out here.
Okay, so Judgment loses it, so Tina passes it hard back to Gabe. Gabe looking towards the middle, sees the pass, but
Nice.
Shelly
Oh,
grabs
Shelly
it from
sees
him,
too. Reads
takes a
it
shot,
like a good book.
and we got a Jimmy with a freedom block.
Jimmy is out.
So he
Shot
decides
up.
to take a ripper, passes it back, deflection.
Yeah, I gotta stop yelling. But that's really annoying.
Beehive is behind their own goal right now. And,
Nice, good
Jimmy,
collect.
Jimmy with a real big stretch.
Yeah.
Collects. Back to Gabe, circles behind his own net.
Hot honey biscuits.
Arnold's got the pressure on. Beehive's trying to split it up, keep this lead.
One on you.
Shelly with a hard push forward. Ends up behind their net. Beehive recollects, gives it to Gabe.
Just over there.
And it looks like Arnold gets a great steal from Gabe with a soft touch. Jimmy stops it, and he's pushing out fast. Goes in between Arnold's. Goes in
Come
between
on
Arnold's
back in.
bracket. And he ends up with it. He's heading towards goal. Fakes to
Whoa.
the outside with a shot blocked by Tina.
I think
Goes
Dasha
down.
just said she wants to play with you in Puerto Rico.
I wish. I'm not good
No,
enough.
not you. I was
Gave with a
talking about
shuffle
Joel.
pass.
Oh.
Also,
great
she
shot
didn't
by
say
Tina. Great shot
either,
by Tina.
y'all. She just said see you in Puerto Rico.
Yeah,
Also,
so
the stream is looking good again.
Beehive's
David
looking good,
said
too.
But
that
Dasha said something about it, so it's probably going to start buffering.
David said that the data was weird, so this is all y'all paid for, so I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah, Dasha. I'm going to Puerto Rico again. I got my team ready. Playing with Athos, your favorite man.
Bees are looking really fine this
I
evening.
already got a team for Puerto Rico. I got to get on my side, man.
Yeah, if you haven't been to Puerto Rico,
Oh, great.
that should be
stop
your
by Jimmy. Gets
destination
a
next.
freedom block. It bounces
next
off the front
tournament.
wheel,
If you
though,
live in a
Shelley
place
is
that
taking
gets
it
down
back with
to
a hard
anything
reset.
under 80.
Gives it to Arnold, who has a great move. Oh, but he goes down after the move. Trying to get out of the way. Tina comes up with front. Missed shot. Passes it. Is that Jimmy?
3-0 Bees, right?
I think it's 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 or 3 to 0. Don't count on us on the score, though.
Yeah, you guys keep track of that. And let us know.
It might be 3. I think it's
Ooh, what a...
Oh, man.
Gabe almost comes out of that. We
Oh,
have
I
a
was
whistle
gonna
here.
say.
Chris Hill refereeing this game is called.
Chris is hard on the what now?
I think he's called a
Kato.
little
I
bit of
think
a
it's like
T-bone, maybe.
3-0.
Beehive will have the ball.
Bees, what is it? 3 zips? Beehive Baes? Beehive Bees?
Tina, is it 3-0?
Kato's on it. Kato's on it.
She looks, she's like, goes, yeah.
Gertie says hi.
Uh-oh. Yeah, he's taken by one of the most beautiful men in Asheville. Which isn't really hard to be the most beautiful man in Asheville.
Wow.
Well, there's a bunch of, like, Appalachian Trail hiking motherfuckers like that.
All right. You have Patty resetting that. Arnold right on her. Taking it behind the net. Pass back to Jimmy. Goose right in front. Jimmy with the ball still. Pass back to Tina.
Nice.
Goose with a nice little bike twirl.
3-0.
And Arnold ends up with the ball.
28 minutes remaining.
Tina blocks that for a second. And Arnold in the ball in the corner over here. Drops, resets.
Need in
And
too?
Jimmy, or
You guys want a
Patty,
part of it?
ends up with it.
Come on in.
Pass to Tina. Tina shoots, and it's
Uh-oh.
pass back to Patty, and it's a miss.
We got a Shelly out front, rushing to the front, takes a shot. It's on target, blocked by Jimmy.
Hey, guys. Can you bring me a shot, Jameson? I'm commentating. Yes. I am.
Who's Chris?
Somebody.
Simpson?
Chris Simpson,
Great
Chris
pass,
Simpson, Chris
Great pass
Simpson,
up
Chris
by Jimmy.
Simpson, Chris Simpson.
To Patty.
The top 5 Chris
Patty
Simpsons
dabbed.
of all time.
Oh,
got-
Chris goes down. It does not look like a penalty.
it was-
Judgment's down.
Whoa.
Smart decision to sub. Chris Evans coming out for Nate.
No, I need a JMO. Yeah, we do. It's in that box.
Jimmy gets a move on the inside and gets the
We know
pass
it.
off.
Help me out. Joel is at least the most beautiful man in his region. Yeah, now that Bob Delgado left. Once Bob Delgado
said that?
left,
Who
you
said
got the... Dasha did.
Oh, that's sweet, Dash. Thank
Too
you.
sweet.
Miss you, Dasha.
It's wrong what they say about people from Canada, that they're all really mean.
Never heard that.
I know. I'm just,
Gets a move on the inside and gets the
you guys
pass
are
off.
terrible at my jokes. Or
You're
maybe I'm
terrible at your jokes.
Shut up.
Nate serves
working
a
so
sweet
hard on the
pass
court.
to Shelly. Shelly with a shot blocked by Jimmy. She gets a pass again. It's into the walls. Arnold will be the first one to collect. Passes it hard back. Reset to Nate.
You don't know who Chris Simpson is?
Who's that?
Get the fuck out of here.
Am I supposed to know them?
You should.
Are they new to Polo?
What?
Nate with a big ripper ends up in the corner. It looks like Arnold will be the first one on it.
Midwest is
He's
Jewel.
confronted by Jimmy and Patty, and he loses it to Patty. Sweet pass to Shelly. Shelly with a shot blocked by Jimmy.
Famous last words.
Scoop over goal. Famous last words.
Jimmy with the ball gets it stolen.
Yo, is
from
my
Nate.
team bringing me some Jameson, or what's going on over here?
Okay, Nate did with a sweet turn.
Stuck under a
Does not get the
blanket here.
pass to Arnold.
Shelly.
He ends up out front. Big shot.
Just to say I loved him.
What a whip.
Just a click away. Shelly will be the first one to collect
The
in her goal. She
original
passes it
Kentucky
back.
gentleman.
Oh, okay. That explains everything.
Oof.
Nice move.
Lexington would be nothing.
Nice move by Tina. She gets a pass to Patty.
The original.
Patty's going to have a little space. Gets a move around Shelly. Shuffle pass in, and no one's there to collect, so Judgement might end up with it. Yep, Nate's
She
got the
ended
ball.
half her height.
Soft reset behind his goal. He passes up. It
Shit,
bounces off the wall, ends up in the middle. Oh, ooh, that's a close one there. Close whale tail, but no.
Yeah, do it.
She got the wheel down. Oh,
Advantage Judgment.
okay. They did call the whale tail on Tina.
Well, damn.
Woo! Wow. Okay, Nate with the cleanup
I'll be right
crew.
back.
That was during an advantage too, so the advantage is over. Beehive Baes will take a second here, grab some water, and see what they can do here. I believe the score is 3-1 Beehive.
Joel.
What are we doing here? Okay, Logan. All right, while we have a second here, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Cooperage, Milwaukee Bike Polo, Wheel and Sprocket. All right, back to the action. Shelly's up front, pushing hard, decides to circle back. Back pass to Arnold is deflected by Patty. Gets is that David on, or is that still Jimmy? Jimmy's, yeah.
Jimmy. Jimmy and Patty.
Stop stepping on this blanket, dog.
Okay, David is in
Are you
goal.
wearing a chain ring
Shelly's
around your
pushing
face?
up,
Or your neck?
A little discombobulation in the corner.
A what?
A little discombobulation in the corner, but it ends up in Arnold's hands.
Discombobulation. A kerfuffle.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Who's taking
We
it
got
up? Jimmy
Beehive
or
up
Gabe?
front.
David?
Oh, great stop by
Oh.
Nate. Front wheel blocked.
Yeah, look at the pant colors.
Jimmy's going to do a hard reset behind his goal.
Nate's trying not to let him.
Hard pressure, but gets passed off.
It's deuce.
Roddy
Party
Patty drops
on.
it for David. David with plenty of space to work
Nate
with
just
here.
stay
What's he
back
going to
here?
do? Takes a shot quick. Bounces off either Arnold's rear wheel or Shelly's first, but it
That
ends
makes
up
sense
all the
why
way
I
on the
did
other
now.
side of the court.
Hell yeah, good
Great
touches.
block.
You gotta get this.
And
real.
David is up front alone. One in the goalie. Birdie's in.
What's going on in the live stream?
Nate gets a great pass up front,
Who did?
but it's deflected out by David into the corner. He gets around Birdie. He's got one to beat. Oh, Nate pins him in the corner. Patty ends up with it behind her net.
Nuts. Are they like
Got plenty of
unaware
time,
of
plenty
the
of time.
temperature
She
outside?
passes it back to David. David is moving forward again. He's got some speed this game. Oh, big chipper, ripper, big chipper, ripper. Ends up
Go.
over the fence.
I think that went through the gate, actually.
Did it?
Nice.
2 points, 3 points. Field goal.
So says the president. So says the prez.
Legalized field goal.
Legalize everything. Let life.
We
sort
got
it out.
time on this is probably close to halftime here. Probably about 20 minutes left.
Bike polo is bad for everyone. Dave Road.
Our cuddle corner is doing great over here, if anyone was wondering. Are you cold? No, I'm not cold at all. I'm surrounded by two big, burly, beautiful men.
I got my dingus on Joel here.
Oh yeah, I was cold before
Oh
this.
yeah. Were you not?
Liz, can you pull back a hair?
Damn, we got 87 spectators.
Pull one.
Guys,
hair.
we made it. We have 87 spectators.
We're at 99.
That guy
over
that
here.
stacks
Tell him
cups
to-
on
tell him to share.
Instagram's got
99.
200, but we're good.
Can we get some shares here on social media and shit?
Share to your mother. Share to your father. If you know anyone who knows anything about bipolar,
Yeah.
tell 'em- or nothing. Just get them online. Let's get these numbers up.
Yeah. Guys, we're not gonna get on ESPN.
Post them on your page.
without
Okay,
this.
who's that without the sleeves? That's
We just
Birdie.
dropped to 86.
Birdie's got
Who
the
left?
ball. She's
Who left?
controlling
Save
into
them.
the back of her zone. Soft reset behind her net. Pushes up.
Probably someone with
Gets a
shitty
little
internet
bad
signal.
connection on it, but Chris is there to pick up. Where's my color, guys? Where's my color? I got the
What you want?
play-by-play. Just fun facts and,
Oh.
and jovial comments.
That's why I'm making fun of the person that just dropped on the live stream. What do you want from me?
Dropped.
Yeah. We had 87 viewers. Now we have.
Banned.
Now we have 88.
Okay, they're banned.
We got 2 back though. Lose 1, get 2. Probably lost someone terrible.
Okay, here we go. We got a good drive here up front, but yes, excellent move by Chris Evans. Gets a pass in. It's on the outside. Nate almost gets a good.
Where's Dave Grode?
And we got a
You don't know
return.
Chris Simpson,
A
bro.
return push by Gabe. Ends up in the corner.
420.
Oh,
Nope.
okay. Chris goes down, and Gabe's there to try to make a little mess. He passes up to the key, and it's open, but Birdie's there with a front wheel block.
Get it.
She pushes up softly, but also a little too hard for Chris.
You would have got that if you had sleeves.
And
Look at that
a little
soldier
bit
boy.
of good defense gets Chris out with it. Oh, pass to Birdie.
All right. Oh, are you? Oh, you're not commentating anymore? I got this. Don't worry. David passes across to Jimmy. Nope. Goose shoots from afar. Nowhere near it.
Birdie gets a rebound.
No sleeves to slow him down.
No sleeves, no masters.
No sleeves, no masters. No sleeves, no tan lines. Look at that. You're only supposed to be that pale in winter, not summer.
Beehive playing the conservative
What's up,
game
man?
right now, but they're pushing
Goose,
when they
goose,
need
duck.
to. We got Chris with it with a fake up front, so he circles back to midcourt.
Oh, nice fake.
Gets around one, has 2 more to beat, leaves it for Birdie, who
Nice.
will have a challenge by Gabe.
A little bit
Gabe
of a challenge.
recovers.
Gets the ball.
Beehive collects.
That's a good idea as much as he's reaching around. No sleeves to get stuck on anything.
Oh, a little bit too much.
call
over
that
the
an
front
endo.
end. Gabe is out of play right now. He's dabbed.
Oh, shit.
Chris passes to Birdie. Birdie gets a shot. Oh, just slightly wide right.
Whoa, whoa, go back. Hold on.
Birdie's the first one to get her shot.
Hold on. You
Oh,
didn't want to like that picture?
Oh.
of Krista?
she looks like she got caught on David's brake line. His brake line's sticking out a little bit there.
Krista got someone hard styling down by the ocean. What's I'm commentating your Instagram usage right now, Carlos.
Taco Daddy.
Taco Daddy
There's
on
too
the
much to
Instagram.
say. There's too much to say
About
about
to
that.
double like this? Nope.
David
Thumb
gets
hovering,
a
thumb
good
hovering.
angle
Maybe
on a
he's gonna
shot,
like it, maybe he's not.
but Nate's gonna collect and
Is it what?
Nope.
Well, not with
David's
that
gonna
attitude,
steal it
there's
from
not.
Nate. Gets a back shot
Oh, fuck me.
off of Birdie's wheel frame.
My back hurts. I'm old.
Good challenge up front. Nate is gonna lose it to
I'll
David.
let you guys hold it for a bit.
Good bike control there, but Jimmy's going to come out front. He's charging one in the goalie, so he takes a shot. Birdie, excellent stop.
Bend this other side so you can get.
So it's going to be Chris charging on David. It's a one-on-one situation. David just powering through. He decides to go left. Chris Evans collects. Challenges in the corner, leaves Birdie available with it. Gabe with a, that was a, I don't know, he kind of charged a little bit on that, maybe a little charging, nothing from the ref. So Beehive will be 2-on-2 advantage here. Loses it to David. Big over-the-shoulder shot by David. Does not come through in his favor. So Chris will slowly pass it back to Birdie, who will take it to the wall side. She challenges Gabe, who has stolen the ball, and A little too hard of a pass for David, so he will end up in the corner, challenged by Chris. David passes it back to Gabe, but Chris Evans gets a nice little stick on it, and he's there. He's right on the goal line, looks for a shot. Birdie's there for the shot. And there was it steering arm? Steering arm, I think, was called by Chris Hill. A+ #1 ref. Oh, and our lights have gone again. Good time to recognize Milwaukee Bike Polo for all this work. These courts look great, and we have lights and generators running everything. I think there's a little bit much power running on these generators, so that's why we're having some lights go in and out. I'm not sure if they're going to let them continue. We've just had a time call for 13 minutes remaining, but I'm not sure if they're going to. I think they're going to take this time for a little bit of a break to see if we can get the lights going back. Gotta pee.
Well, it's not cold anymore. Got my bling on. Got the new bike polo sweater from Mexico.
What's the story with the chain ring?
If you bike a lot, for some reason, I don't know, this shit broke. Yeah. Like, snapped it right in half.
What's up, Elias?
So
Elias, you got something to say about this?
I got lots of things to say about it.
Say it.
For the right price, what, you think you get everything for free? Subscribe to Elias Prime
Oh, yeah, Elias.
Don't do that.
Wit on demand in 24 hours.
Come commentate with me, man.
Come commentate? All right. All right.
Help him out.
All right.
Hey, this is Corey's. Do you know where his stuff is?
He's probably really drunk. Wait, is that your? Did you break that?
Yeah. All right, folks, we're back on live. Oh, well, we've been live, I guess, but the lights are flickering.
Struggling.
It's struggling. The lights are weird.
Oh, solid block there. Front wheel by Goose. Looking for a long pass. Arnold hustles right wing. Fakes the shot. Tina's down. Temporary advantage here for Judgement. Judgement chipping the ball back. Goose recollects.
Bad.
Shelly's at a goal. Crosses. She has it. No angle on the shot. Tina in. Right in front of the goal. Looking for a counterattack. Instead, cools it down. Gabe solid pass. Oh, Tina can't catch it. All right, back to Jimmy. Jimmy.
Yeah, I'm surprised there's not that many moths around the lamps out.
No, the moths are eating up that light.
They're at the generators.
Yeah. They're like trying to get more gas. Moths were getting hella mad when those lights went out. All right. A lot of scrambly shit in front of the goal here. Oh! There it is. Gabe with the backhand. My gosh. Don't sweat the technique.
If you like that shot, you should Venmo Soul Rack 801, just $1.
Yeah, for less than the price of a cup of coffee.
Just $1 from 90 people, y'all. That's SOLRAC 801.
All right, we're back live. Oh, Shelly down, head-to-head with Gabe. Jimmy going up left wing. Ooh, whiffs and goes directly into the goal. Seems like maybe a technical break. Looks for it and finds it. Nate, last second, stale bread. But you know what? A little toasty.
What does that make the score?
It makes the score exciting, I think.
I'll double check that for you.
All right.
All right, I think we have like 10 minutes left.
Tina, little back pass to Gabe. Gabe, ball joint, back to Tina. Ooh, touch and go. Looking for it. Hard angle shot, can't get quite out there. Oh, Gabe still finds it, goes for the backhand, and it's deflected. Tina, lightning speed, recollects it back on their own half.
It's 4-2.
4-2 for Beehive, currently in this match. Definitely matching intensities from these teams, but Beehive's been producing all match. Oh, and there's a T-bone and a topple, and there's the whistle. I think it's going to be in Judgment's favor there.
Late whistle.
You know, it's good to take a moment after the whistle, collect your thoughts, what you're going to say. I think a lot of refs are afraid to not make calls because they feel like they got to make the call immediately. It's better reffing. Take a moment, breathe, think about what you're going to say. And if they think they're going to say something shitty, just be prepared to tell them to fuck off.
Straight from Elias. President of the NAS.
That's right. That shit's canon.
Arnold with the ball.
Arnold.
Looks for
But he gives it up.
Shelley.
Counterattack. Counterattack. Here it is, Tina. One-on-one with Nate. Flickering lights. She's drawing power. Oh man, it's a strobe light. It was like a rave on court A for a moment. A rave minus music, which sounds really pleasant. All right, they're slowing it down a little bit. Beehive, a little bit low energy. Oh, Arnold there with the touch, but not enough to collect it. Gabe, front channel. Ooh, and a little bit wide to the right. Arnold, he's got speed, looking for it. Goes for the forearm off Tina's front wheel, and he's first to recollect. Sure. We got right here from Super Polo.
Pongan el canal 5, Mike Polo DF. Ya va a empezar nuestro partido.
Canal 5 para el Polo, Super Polo. Pulos Super Polo.
Little guest commentary, little shout out there from Kevin from Super Polo. Cool dude. Ooh. Little bit of whale tail action there. I don't think the ref saw it. Gabe doing 2 scoops of raisin in every box there. Oh, and Tina's just doing an arm pump there. Oh man. Judgment, just a small bad call of who's on first there, and no one defended. Everyone went for countering the drive there from Beehive. Small error, big cost. Looks like Judgment's. They're on the court. Looks like literally say, I don't know. Are they taking a timeout? What's going on here? There's looking for that goal. I think there's an argument on if it was a shot or a shuffle. This is common. You know, when you have the last touch come mid court. There's.
She tapped it in.
Oh no, it's Tina. Tina
barely tapped it in.
Oh, so that looks like to be the controversy. Chris Hill, reffing this match, is out there talking to the players. Now, granted, you're going to get input from the players, but everyone's going to advocate their position, especially from their memory. So we'll see here. I don't think anyone's trying to trick anybody here. Judgment has the ball right now, doing a little. They need to find something if they're going to turn this around. Otherwise, Beehive right now looking on fire, absolutely.
Smells like gas.
Yeah, it smells like hella gas. And if it smells like gas, that means gas isn't burning. It means gas is going out the exhaust. Ooh, and the lights are flickering. The generators here at...
Tina, what's the call?
Did you tap it in, right?
I touched it. I thought it was a shot, but
You like... You heard it here live from Tina. She does not know.
Ref, what's the call?
Looking to find out what the call is from the ref. There still looks like to be...
Shotgun dispute! Shotgun dispute!
If you're tuning in from around the world, looking for some world-class continental bike polo. Oh, and we're back in play.
So did they count it?
I'm not quite sure. I couldn't hear from where we're sitting.
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna. All right. in the comments, was it legit or was it not legit? But it was definitely fire, whatever it was.
Yes, good goal.
Good goal. Goal was good. That was another one for Beehive. All right, Judgement down now. Gotta produce. Oh, but just nothing's getting past Gabe down.
Oh, it's Elias, not Chris, by the way.
Yeah, Chris is the ref. Elias is the voice.
Oh, okay, yeah. Duh. I'm not paying attention.
All right, Tina cooling it down here in Beehive territory. Shelly looking for a turnover. She's gonna have to work harder than that if she's gonna take it off Tina, or Tina's gonna make an error, and looks like Shelly's gonna get a T-bone call, I think. All right, no whistle yet, so
Okay,
Chris's hands in the air. Yep, it is advantage for Beehive. No word yet. We don't know if this is going to be just a mere turnover or if it's going to end up being a 30-second. It was a pretty hard hit there that Shelly laid on. All right, Beehive still has it. Got a little bit of a rave situation going on. Beehive smart here, doing a little reset on their own side, trying to draw Judgement back. All right, here's the drive. Can Beehive keep control? They still have it. Beehive still has it in Judgment's corner. Looks like they're going to try for another reset here. Hands it off Gabe. Gabe back to, oh, Gabe fakes it to Tina. Gabe takes it himself, rips a shot off the front wheel, and there's the touch from Arnold, and the ball is blown dead.
Timeout.
All right. Judgement is calling a timeout.
So Chris W says, looks like a goal to me. So
Yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like a goal to the ref too, which also matters, not just public input. We don't want to democratize goals. We want to see badass goals.
bad.
Shout out to the camera.
We got
Hey, what's up? I see you watching.
I see you watching. You're good on camera. Let's work together one day.
yeah, buddy. Let's do that. I love it. We're gonna have it. You know who my favorite voice commentator is for bike polo? Kato.
Kate, oh
Kato's voice. Kato, that's that silky low voice, man. That has like an ASMR effect, man. That I love it.
I'm personally a big fan of Blue from Bellingham. Blue from Bellingham is one of my favorite commentators. Such a sweetheart, such a good guy. Back to Elias here.
Yeah, Blue has the MVP commentary from Worlds for sure. It wasn't the best sports commentary. It was the best. It was just the best thing that was ever recorded at a bike polo tournament ever. If you haven't seen that, the only game that they ever let him. It just worked out that way. It was not that we didn't want to let him do it or not let him do it. It was just the only one he did, and it was amazing. I was working with the production crew for Worlds, and they were hitting me on the walkie-talkie to like, do we want to cut this guy's mic? They were freaking out because they didn't know if this was intentional or not, and we told them no, leave it rolling.
Oh shit! There's a mosquito.
A mosquito? I don't like mosquitoes. I don't like mosquitoes. I like them Saskatoon mosquitoes, but I don't like these like blood sucking mosquitoes. All right, Judgement coming back on the court. Beehive finishing up their huddle as well. Looks like we got Tina, and we got Patty, and we got Jimmy. For Beehive as well, we have Shelly, Birdie, and Goose for Judgement. I think Shelly needs some sort of avian nickname as well.
Birdie's on the court. Peloton's been requesting.
What up with the sleeping bag?
It's over there.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Right, they're lining it up. All right, Beehive's ball. Looks like it was just going to be a turnover, so we do see a 3v3 on the court right now. All right, and they've crossed. Tina, kind of a casual cross. Patty. They're just circling. They're looking for Judgement to make an aggressive play. Oh, Patty with the head fake. Patty has my favorite head fake in all of bike polo. Ooh, a little miscommunication there between Tina and Patty, and it's a free turnover there to Judgement. Shelly looking for something further out. Little touch right to Bird. Bird looking for the lane. Oh, little whiff. Thinking about front door. And pass it off the boards back to Shelly. Shelly tries to get it down the line, and it's going to be Tina's ball. Tina back to Patty.
We're watching Polo now.
Here we are. Patty down left wing. Tina looking for an option. Tina sneaks it past, gets it to Patty. Patty one-on-one with Goose. Shoots, and it's off Goose's wheel. All right, Goose collects it back behind Judgment goal.
Standing on the boards, commentating the game. Wearing camouflage, barely can see him.
That's right.
Still commentating
I'm
the
just
game.
pants. All right, here we are. Back behind Beehive goal. Shelly's first to collect it. Kicks it out in front of the goal. Danger zone, but Bird wasn't right there to produce. Bird circling around the key, looking for anything. Oh, Shelly gets a touch on it, but it goes wide right. Back out front, but it's stopped by Tina. Stays behind Beehive goal. Little shuffle there, trying to bait Judgment to overcommit.
Yeah, at the coldest
Tina
in Mexico.
doing a recreational pivot.
Totally superfluous.
That's right. Add some flavor to it. Looks like Beehive maybe trying to kill the clock a little bit here. Make a Judgment have to overcommit to something behind their own behind their goal. All right, Jimmy moves up. Bird in hot pursuit.
4 minutes remaining.
4 minutes remain in this match. Hard shot, wide left. Kicks around the boards.
4 women on the court.
Shelly can't collect it. In pursuit of Patty behind Beehive's own goal. Shelly pulls off. Now Bird's in. Bird gets in front of the ball, but they're fighting it out here in the corner. See who walks away from it. And Beehive, unforced error. Shelly in front of the goal, goes for the backhand. Oh, off the back of Tina's tire. Right there through the 5-hole, but it just couldn't get past the very back edge of the tire, bounces out. Tina comes out of goal, recollects. Face off there. Bird looking for an option there. Tina's down. It is 3v2. Tina's back in. Shelly in the center lane looking for a shot. Fires, goes behind the goal. Arnold recollects it. Judgment. And it's a shot by Bird just at the moment when the lights are flickering. Certainly Beehive can't be happy about that situation there. That's a bummer. You know what? I'd be raising hell. I don't know what I could say to argue for a better situation there, but unfortunately, I think that goal is going to count. And the lights are back on.
Put more gas in it.
All right, coming onto the court now for Beehive, we have David, Judgment, Arnold, Birdie, and Shelly. Patty crossing. Arnold versus Patty on the boards. Patty trying to shelter it off. Arnold looks like he's maybe going to get away. He gets his mallet free. He walks away with it. Not a lot of speed. Bird up left wing. Shoots. Goes wide. Shelly recollects it. Judgment playing 3 up right now. Patty recollecting her mallet off the ground. Arnold back pass over to Shelly. Oh, not to Shelly, to Bird. Shot goes and is deflected high and out of the court. I believe it will be Judgment's ball. For those watching at home, probably indoors, I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes right now because I'm so sweet. All right, ball's live again. Bird trying to go up left wing, gets stopped by Patty's wheel. Goes for the backhand, back in front. Judgment recollects again. Oh, flickering lights again. Judgment seems to have the lights in their favor. All right, David going up left wing, takes a forearm shot, goes wide right, comes up the boards. Birdie now with a counterattack. Oh, ball's a little ahead of her. She can't get it before the goal line. All right. Tries to bounce it, goes free. David self-passes off the boards, but Birdie takes his lane. There's a bit of a eagle fight there, the mallets, and Birdie walks away with it. In Judgment's corner, David covering up close. 1 minute left in this match. Judgment running out of time to make anything happen here. Puts it in front. Oh, and looks like Shelly a little hard into the paint there. Maybe a ninja ball, and she's down. Lights going full sandstorm right now. And the lights are down. Ref's letting it play out. Play over here in the corner in the dark. Trying to get it free. They're calling a timeout, even in the dying minutes of this match. Birdie visually frustrated right now. But I think probably good to cool down the temperatures of Judgment. Beehive looking relaxed in their corner, talking it out. Looks like there's going to be maybe a last substitution. Patty's going off court. Looks like Gabe came in. So last line here, Gabe, David, and Jimmy, the original Beehive Boys before whenever the team was 3v3. Thanks everyone for tuning into the live stream. We are recording all these videos in HD, and so depending on what the quality is right now with the actual stream, we will be taking the raw footage in HD and breaking them out into game-sized chunks and uploading them as individual files on the NAH YouTube channel. So you can look forward to that. If you missed the beginning of this game and you want to see it in better quality, you will have that opportunity.
Just felt some raindrops.
Just feel some raindrops?
Oh yeah.
Drop top.
Off mosquitoes. Ugh.
Mosquitoes. Why can't these like mosquitoes like go like fuck with the lights?
Yeah, right.
I guess I don't know. Mosquitoes don't like light. They like blood. All right.
Mosquitoes are actually attracted to heat, not like the light.
I think they are also drawn to CO2. I think that like helps them find their prey, which is why if you have like if you've got a fan running in a room, it fucks them up. That's how you beat Sean Marsh. Is you put a fan on the court. And
Mosquitoes not on this court. You have all these mosquito facts.
yeah, that's right. You turn into bug facts. Hashtag bug facts.
I can unsubscribe.
All right. Unsubscribe. All right, here we are, and we're back in action here. Arnold coming across. Crosses the bird. Looking for a dignity goal. Oh, and they find it. They find it. Nate, just a simple forearm shot, finds the back of Beehive's goal.
What's the score, Chris?
Close, right?
Score?
Not close, right?
All right, and David crosses while the ball's back in Beehive. Beehive's killing the clock here. 7 seconds, it's in the air. And Birdie with the seatbelt shot goes off Arnold's bike, and that's the match. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know the final score. Ask one of them. Oh, you want to do a?
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for them to give a little hug. Let them have a
quick
moment.
interview coming up here, guys.
Let them have a little moment here. We're gonna do a quick little interview here. All right. Let's bring Gabe over here. Tina! We want to be here. Tina! Yeah, Bring Gabe too. Gabe, come here. You two. Come on over.
Hi.
What was the final on that?
I think it was 5-4.
5-4. So it did come down to a one.
It was 5-4, right?
4.
Last 12 seconds they scored one.
Oh yeah. So there was some line there. Excellent. You're all playing fast and sharp. How you feeling?
Feel good.
How many more matches do you got tonight?
How many what?
How many more matches do you have?
We have one more.
How many more matches do you have tonight?
One more match.
And who are you playing?
Ursa Minor.
Ursa Minor.
Ursa Minor, Southeast. Yeah, wow. That's old crew. Yeah. Anyone you want to give a shout out to who might be watching the stream?
KG, of course, and Gertie and Pop Tart, and the whole Beehive Club, and yeah.
Beehive.
You think they're watching back home?
They're definitely watching.
Oh, they're down at the pub. Excellent. You gonna give a shout out to?
Shout out to my moms and my dads and my family. They might be watching too.
Right on. Yeah, well, we're going to put these up in HD on the channel, so you'll be able to send them links in the future and watch it. Hey, great play out there. You guys look sharp, look fast, look great. Keep it up. See you tomorrow.
I think we're on here.
Oh, you might be on here again? Ooh. All right.
I have been holding my pee.
Justin has been holding his whiz for a long time, and I think he's going to... Oh, stop. All right, so that was 5-4 for Beehive over Judgement. And coming onto the court right now...
What would I talk to about that?
You just go over there. I think who scheduled right now for that is Ton. You should definitely take that. You should just jump up there.
All right. You got that score, right?
I got the score for this game. Yeah, I don't have scores for B and C court though. All right, Super Pole getting warmed up. We got all sorts of action here tonight. It's interesting. I don't think that we've had a cold NAs in a while. Well, I guess it gets cold when it gets wet, but right for this tournament so far, it's been pretty dry. Oh, I do feel a raindrop right now, actually. It might. Yeah, hopefully David. Hey, Jimmy, do you know where David is?
We're waiting for the next game.
All right. Yeah, I just want to. I don't want to get this equipment wet. Okay. I don't know what his.
Yeah, maybe